Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 23 of the Margarete Miller Challenge. And the prompts for this week are song lyrics, and I'm going to probably stamp out or use stickers to do my song lyrics. The next prompt is red, and I've got a couple of things in red. A road sign. I've got this background paper that's got road signs. Something with wings. I've got this bird, and I think I have another bird. I'm not sure. The bonus is rubber stamping, and I've got these rubber stamps, so I may use those. Tissue paper and napkin, and I've got this, and I think I'm going to fussy cut these flowers out. I thought they were pretty. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm finished. I've got my song lyrics, Free Bird from Leonard Skinner. Red, I've got the red strawberries, the background, the bird. Road sign, I've got my background paper. Something with wings, my birds. Tissue paper and napkin, I've got this right here. And I've got my bonus with rubber stamping. I rubber stamped the feathers and the fireflies in gold. And I went ahead and I gessoed and I splattered, and I really like how it turned out, and I hope you do too. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Thank you, Margarete Miller, for hosting this challenge. Be sure and check out her channel and the other ones that are participating in this. There are some very, very talented women participating in this. So, until next time, bye y'all.